Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss one of the question from RTO old paper, and this question is the example of U chart. The given question is like that: a personal computer manufacturer wishes to establish a control chart for non-conformities per unit on the final assembly line. The sample size selected is 5 computers. Data on the number of non-conformities in 20 samples of 5 computers each are shown in the table 3.2. So this is the table 3.2, and this shows the data on number of non-conformities in personal computer, and sample size is 5 given. So we have to construct a control chart for average number of non-conformities. So now it is asked in question that we have to construct a control chart for average number of non-conformities. It means we have to construct U chart. So the formula for control chart for average number of non-conformities per unit, that is for U chart, are the following formulas. So the first one is the average number of non-conformities per inspection unit, that is U is equal to X divided by the N, and control limit or the center line is equal to U bar, and upper control limit is equal to U bar plus 3 under root U bar divided by the N, and lower control limit is equal to U bar minus 3 under root U bar divided by the N. And you already know that if the lower control limit is found to be less than 0, that is negative, then it is converted to the 0. The solution is like that. First we prepare the table like this, and in this table the first 3 column is already given in the questions. That is sample size is already given 5, so the second column is also given. So with the help of this we are going to calculate U that is equal to X by N. So the last column, that is fourth column, is for U, and at the end we see the summation U is equal to 40.6, and U bar, that is the summation U divided by the 20, is equal to 2.03. So first we are going to calculate the center line for U chart, that is equal to U bar, and U bar is equal to this 2.03. Now the upper control limit for U chart is equal to U bar plus 3 under root U bar divided by the N. So when we put all the values here, we get upper control limit is equal to this much, 3.942. Similarly we get lower control limit is equal to 0.118. So now we prepare the U chart for the total number of non-conformities, and we are going to use this table. We already calculated all the data, that is lower control limit, upper control limit, and center line. So we can see clearly from this chart that lower control limit line is this, and center line is this, and upper control limit line is this. And it can be observed from the U chart that all the points falls within the control limit, so therefore the process is in control. Thank you.